What's up, guys? Today we are going to work on Java data types. Let's look at the problem statement. Java has 8 primitive data types: char, boolean, byte, short, int, long, float, and double. For this exercise, we will work with primitives used to hold integer values: byte, short, int, and long. A byte is 8-bit, short is 16, int 32, a long is 64. Given an input integer, you must determine which primitive data types are capable of properly storing that input. To get you started, a portion of the code is provided for you. I think they are wanted to determine, like, if the sample input is 150 minus 150, so we want to determine can it fit in the short, byte, int, and long. So this minus 150 can fit in all three of them, and 150,000 can fit in int and long, and this one, so many zeros, int and long, and this long value can't be fitted anywhere, and this be fitted in long. I think for the better tutorial, I think they have already given us this link. We can go and check the values they contain. For example, byte, they contain maximum value of -28 and minimum value, value of -28, a maximum value of 127. Short is 16-bit, so it's like minimum value -32,768 and a maximum value of 32,767. And int 32-bit, so minus 2 to the power of 31 and maximum value of 2 to the power of 31. So long is also minus to the power of 63 and 2 to the power of 63 minus 1. I think the problem can be solved using a lot of different methods. I think here we have to kind of start our coding. I think we can use max.pow, but for the simplicity, I'm gonna use max and .min values to determine if it's a longer maximum or minimum. For example, for this one, for the byte, they have already printed the value, but I really don't like the style of this sort of code. I like to style it a bit better. Okay, so this is for byte. So next is the short one. For short, we can go like x greater than and equal to short dot min, so greater than equal to min value, and x less than equal to short dot max. Then after that we can print out print line short. I think same thing for the other one. So I'm gonna copy and paste, so it will save me some typing. So the next one is int. So for the int, we use, so IntelliSense will help us. Here's the IntelliSense. So it's kind of telling us the exact value we can use. I think same here. Like just press tab, I think, and here I have to use int, and the last one is the long. Long is very similar, so here greater than and equal to long dot min value. So one thing you can notice is that the first letter is the capital one. It's case sensitive. If it's like, and if you're doing it, it doesn't really work. You see the red squiggly lines. So it means that it doesn't really know. So you have to kind of use the capital, so it knows it's a long data type. So there are like, if they are here, they're talking about 4 different data types: byte, short, int, and long. I think most of the time we just use int and long for large values, but it's kind of good to know the data types, these data types anyway. So here I'll just change it to long. I think that's pretty much it. Let's run our code to see if it works. Oh yeah, so all the test, the sample test case is passed, and if I submit our code, yep, so looks like all the test cases passed. Congratulations. Yeah, I think the main takeaway from this challenge is that we have to kind of determining the min and max value and comparing these two using the using these signs, and also using the if conditions. We could also use math.pow, I think, yeah. So here, like for example, for the if I go back and let's say for the int 2 to the power 32, so you can go like 2 in the power of 31. I think this will also work. But anyway, I think this is I think this is a nice way. This is nice looking code rather than using math.pow. So we really don't need to kind of use it unless we really need to. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel.